Children of the night. Watching you.
Welcome back, y'all. Today we got a little something from Art Primo's Lost Stash, the AP female fat cat. Now, because this tip is no longer available at Art Primo, this is not really a review, but I'll do some tags and a basic fill-in just to try to give you an idea of how it writes. So the first thing you're going to notice is that it has this big body to go right over the whole can. Now you can use it like this on a Valspar can and it will write perfectly, but if you want to use it on a common Rusto can, then you're going to need to take this tip all the way off the body. This used to be my favorite tip to use on the Rusto cans, but Art Primo only had them available for a certain amount of years. Just press the cap down, then back up and pull it off. Then snap the tip onto the can, and you can use the lid to cover over the whole cap. So let's go ahead and catch some tags with it.
This is a production paradox. Like that. This is a production paradox. Like that. This is a production paradox.
fuck on. Tired of hearing that same old song. Killing the game and never stopping. Double five Nina, keeping it rocking. Addicted to rap like it's heroin. Drop my verse and watch me ascend. Too many out there never pay their dues. Still in the game cause I refuse to lose. Cheese on the wall with a fat cap. Bums on the ground with a knapsack. Go hard all day, fuck them haters. Silver and black like them Cali Raiders. Fish scale, homie, always uncut. Put it on the mirror, maybe smoke it out. Got you hooked like a phenom crack. All strung out, ain't no turning back. Cheese on the wall. 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 Cheese on the wall with a fat kill. From human oddities to game and skill. Hella mixtapes on the reel. Fuck the haters, I'ma still bust. And this mic is what I trust. Skills amazing with them guns blazing. Revolution be the foundation. By any means, not Rodney King. Of course you won't see it on your TV screen. Propaganda, nothing but lies. Never would have changed for the devil in disguise. People in the streets cause they're tired of the bullshit. Now we're sitting here loading up another full clip. Hit the studio like a firing range. When the bullets hit you, blowing out your brains. Decapitated by my download. No restore, air code. Cheese on the wall. 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 Cheese on the wall with a fat kill.
You know I spit that real. Close from the brain, I remain from the west. Killing up on that microphone, I'm piercing through that vest. Bodies start dropping when the mic starts rocking. Kamikaze homie when the bombs start dropping. Fill up on that microphone, that paradise production. Turning up your stereo and rocking the function. Yeah, but that kill took me to another dimension. So I grab the mic and rip it like it's my invention. Higher polarity, but that's where you unaware with me. Seriously, a part of the conspiracy, but you're confined to a blind mind. And everything you believe from an old paradigm. So I shift to another level. Crush your instrumental. 559 in the building. On the mic we killing.
Now who got the rum, blunts, and the brew? We came to do what we always do. Spark this, hit that, pour this, sip that, sit back, relax, be shots and wax. Now who got the rum, blunts, and the brew? We came to do what we always do. Spark this, hit that, pour this, sip that, sit back, relax, be shots and wax.
Mr. Magnifico, green light, let's go. You got the blunts rolled? Well, let's blow. Rhythm, hookah fucker, eking paradox, raining down volcanic rocks, magma drops. No time to move slow, nothing gets past me. I'm so fucking cold, I make the room feel drafty. If your chick is flirting, it's time to get nasty. Knowledge of a king, so my movements are crafty. Dab down, in the room I dabbed in. Had to smash out, hope all the crafts were smashing. Everlasting, no particular fashion. On the paper I be slashing, ready for action. Sing Cal, my city, no town. Where you can get bodied by anybody around. Still sky dwelling, forever underground elevator. Making these haters frown.
Now who got the rum, blunts, and the brew? We came to do what we always do. Spark this, hit that, pour this, sip that, sit back, relax, be shots and wax. Now who got the rum, blunts, and the brew? We came to do what we always do. Spark this, hit that, pour this, sip that, sit back, relax, be shots and wax.
out of Fresno, a broke motherfucker with no cash. Might show up at your back door for your stash. Ain't no telling, ain't no speaking. You snitching, then you're leaking. Get bodied by anybody, bougie bitches turning up, getting ratchet at a party. City life gritty, especially after dark. Tweakers on the streets, needles in the park. Cops look at us crazy, rich folks think we're lazy. The county gives you money as long as you're having babies. Homeless stats high, tents by the on-ramp, public assistance, everyone's on stamps. One of the biggest for the cities in the Golden State. You better watch your words if you're holding hate. You better watch your gold if you're on a date. My pocket's on empty and the pawn shops are wait. Top-notch meth ranked high in the nation. Better pick your battles or end up a critical patient. But it's up to you to be in Fresno community. No snitching allowed, keep the shit between you and me. Top-notch meth ranked high in the nation. Better pick your battles or end up a critical patient. But it's up to you to be in Fresno community. No snitching allowed, keep the shit between you and me. If you Northside dwelling, I'll be River Park selling. Anything I can, I got grams in my hand. Crack the case of King Cobra, pop the bottle of rum. A lot of pretty bitches better get you one. If you're looking for the stuff to get you numb, easy peasy. I'ma let my soul glow, but my hair ain't greasy. Police on the prowl asking who like owls. Many got them, but there's no man in the Cape and Cow. But there's a whole lot of jokers, two-faced and catty women. Don't forget Mr. Freeze, you dive, you fight with him. Churches loving money given by the folks that attend, but no way to find out how the money's spent. Tower District nightlife lit like lanterns. Drink until you're sinking, see the right patterns. We hustle hard if we ain't got it. Better put that shit away before another nigga spot it. Top-notch meth ranked high in the nation. Better pick your battles or end up a critical patient. But it's up to you to be in Fresno community. No snitching allowed, keep the shit between you and me. Top-notch meth ranked high in the nation. Better pick your battles or end up a critical patient. But it's up to you to be in Fresno community. No snitching allowed, keep the shit between you and me.